It's really, really exciting, times for Zimbabwe, the world is watching, we're going to get our country back. And I've been living overseas for like 2 decades in this cold and snow and all that crappy weather. So I'm just looking forward to going back home. I've been there for 20 years and I really haven't spoken the language in 20 years, so I've forgotten some things. I just need to reacquaint myself. I was really happy there's actually an app that can teach me my language, Shauna. I just need to reacquaint myself. So I'm just going to use it just to learn a few words so I can remind myself.
Murume.
Mirume, that's a man like the General Chivenga, yeah. Mukadzi, that's a woman. Let's try other things. Okay, let's try some animals. What do we have?
Mombe.
Mombe, that's a cow.
Mbongoro.
Bomboro, I can't, that's too difficult, sorry.
Garwe.
Garwe!